If you get this error while trying to install any version of macOS on VirtualBox, then this video is for you. Now, this is very minor. First, head to the description of this video and you'll see both of these commands which we're going to use to fix this error. Then, open your command prompt by searching for cmd and run as administrator. Now, let's paste in the first command to move into the VirtualBox directory. And then, before we paste the second command, we have to replace VM name with our virtual machine name. So let's open VirtualBox, go to Settings, and then copy our machine name over here. So now, we replace VM name with our machine name. And then, we can copy the entire line, paste it here, and hit Enter. And that is all. Now we can close command prompt, and then we can run our macOS machine without any issue. Now you can proceed with the installation and then finish up the process. I made 2 videos on how to install macOS Ventura and Sonoma on VirtualBox. I'll provide the link in the video description. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.